Welcome to Virtualoon. This is a special tutorial for making your own buttons to change the colors in your design. So, can we make a plus wall? And we choose the balloons. Okay, take a green and a red and some 5-inch rounds. Let's take a brown and how about white? Okay, this is a little too big. We're going to make it smaller and create. Okay, so here's your wall. To be able to change all green balloons at once, or red ones at once, or brown ones at once, and all white ones at once, we need to work on that a little bit. Okay, first of all, we make that size bigger because we need space down here. Okay, now start with that 12-inch quick link. No, that's not the one. That one, you just add it to your template. And to make it clear, you just might want to turn that around. You don't have to. It doesn't make any difference. Okay, we need the red one now. Okay, now the 5-inch rounds and a white one. Okay, just line them up here or wherever you want. You could have lined them up here or there or on the top. It doesn't matter. This is your decision. Now you save that design. Okay, what we do now is we open a text editor. I use Ultra Edit. You don't have to use that. You can use a different one depending on what you want. Now I open that file. Okay, don't be scared. You will get that. So what we do now, we look for the next brackets image to open. Just scroll to the right. There it is. We mark that, and then we replace this by this. And to get that break, you press Shift Enter at the same time. Okay, say replace all. Okay, that looks way better now. I'm just gonna get rid of these empty spaces here. Now the last couple of lines are different. We added 4 balloons, so that's four lines at the end. I always just make a line break to just visualize it. Now you scroll to the right and you will see there's an ID in there for that object. We're going to replace that object with a number to COBUT_1. And the next one will be COBUT_2, and so on, just for the 4 balloons we just used. Okay, now the fashion balloon with the order number 65217BV_LG. This is the green balloon. So now we need to make some small changes to all these balloons with an order number 65217BV. Okay, we scroll to the top, and at the end of the line, no, on the beginning of the line, you see the number. 65217 is the number we're looking for. Okay, here we are. Again, I just make a small line break to make it easier before and after that section. Now you will find a class for that, for every single balloon. You see that here, there's the class starts with these and ends with these, and before it ends you just add a blank color 1, because this is Cobalt 1. Now to make it easier, I just copy that, and now I just paste it to all these balloons with that color. Make sure to be right behind that nose size, or whatever is written there, just at the end. Different designs might have different classes, so that you won't always have a nose size. If you size a balloon, there will be no size. There will be no size. There will be something else. Just make sure it's at the end of that class. This is a little work, and right now we're working on finding a solution for that, and giving you the possibility to create buttons the easy way while you design your decor. Okay, 3 more in that color. Now we scroll all the way down. So the next color is 65213. 65213BV, and so on. Let's look for them. 65. Okay, they're on the top. Again, we're looking for the class. Now you need to change that color 1 into color 2. Again, just copy that and paste it to all the balloons. It's a little bit boring, but your life will be way easier later on to change the colors of your design instead of changing every single balloon in that design. It's way faster. Okay, you might guess already what we're doing now. We're looking for the third color, 68776 B underscore CB. Okay, where can we find these? Just right here. Again. Okay. So this time it's color 3. And same thing again. Oops, we did that twice here. And this is what actually your VIR file looks like. All the information is here of what you've done with your decor. I don't know if you watched it, but there's a tutorial how to find out if you size a balloon, if you make it smaller, you can find that information here too. Okay, and now the last one should be here. And our class is here. That's going to be color 4. So you can use every text editor to do that. Just don't sort your file, because that would mix up the layers. If you're working with layers, you will be completely messed up if you do that. If you sort this file, adding a blank line or something like that, or 2 or 3, that doesn't matter. But everything else you do, you might destroy your design. But you can you can do that with the colors. That's okay. We prepared the coding to do that, and this is how we do the buttons too in the templates. Okay, this is it. Just save that. Now we go back to Virtualoon, and what we do now is just load that design again. You might want just to reload that file. I have to make a step in between because I'm working on a local version. So we didn't change the name of that. We kept it the same name. Okay, let's make that bigger. Okay, so here are your balloons. Now just go ahead and see if we made a mistake somewhere. Quick links. Okay, how about some polka dots? Okay, they all changed. These all changed. They're good. And last one, all good. So it's that easy. It's work intensive, but it's easy, and you can do that. Thanks for watching.